The Congress on Saturday asked Prime Minister Narendra Modi to publicly condemn China for its brazen incursions into Indian territory and urged the government to take strong and quick action to resolve the line of actual control (LAC) issue. Senior Congress leader Kapil Sibal said at a virtual press conference that the Prime Minister should address the nation and promise that anyone capturing Indian territory would be pushed back. He said the entire nation and the entire opposition would stand behind him and his promise, alleging that the last 6 years have seen the biggest diplomatic failure under the Modi government. The former Union Minister said some quick action should be taken to resolve the LAC issue with China. Some quick action is required, he said, seeking early resolution of the border dispute with China, while noting that diplomacy and economic blockade with China would not work. Yes, the action should be strong against China. The quality, nature and the timing of that action has to be decided by the government, he said when asked what quick action he was asking for. Sibal said it was for the government to decide and not the opposition. The Congress leader alleged that China has erected tents and structures near PP-14 in Galwan Valley, the place where 20 Indian soldiers sacrificed their lives. He added that satellite imagery also reflects construction of new blacktop roads by Chinese forces on the Galwan riverbed, erection of large numbers of military tents and presence of bulldozers and other heavy equipment. What is our government doing about it? The PM must clear the air and condemn these brazen Chinese incursions, he said. Asking why the Prime Minister does not openly and publicly condemn the brazen acts of infiltrations, incursions and occupation of Indian territory by China, he said, "I want the PM to publicly condemn China. We will support the Prime Minister." Sibal said the situation is such that the PM's statement that nobody intruded into India is being used by the Chinese globally. We want the Prime Minister to address the nation and promise that if anyone has captured Indian territory, we will push them back. If you say so, the public and the entire opposition will stand behind you and your promise, he said. There has been a standoff between Indian and Chinese troops in the eastern Ladakh area for over a month and a bloody clash took place between them on the night of June 15 in the Galwan Valley, resulting in the death of 20 Indian soldiers,